How to install Serum noises in FL Studio. First, open Serum. Then go to Menu and go down to Show Serum Presets folder. Go into the Noises folder and you can paste them in here. I prefer to be more organized, so I'm going to create a premium folder and a free folder. The noises I'm installing in this video are ones I've paid for, so I'm going to put them in the premium folder. Go to where you've downloaded the noises pack, extract the folder if it's compressed, and then copy that folder. Go back into the Serum folder and paste them in here. Now go back to Serum and under Menu, choose Rescan Folders on Disk. Your noise pack should now be added to Serum. And that's how to install Serum noises in FL Studio.